Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today guys, we're gonna do a very short unboxing video, and I got me a new Barbie. Take a closer look. So this is what I got, and this is the Barbie astronaut. So it said that they're supposed to have two more. They have the Barbie Rewind, and they also have the Totally Hair Barbie, and I might get them all. Let's see. This is only like $11 something, about $12. So said 100, there's a number. Let's see, this is a Pop Retro Toys, a Pop. Said right here, Retro Toys. So you guys, let's unbox it. I'm so excited. And gonna be a good addition in my Barbie collection. I don't know where to put it actually. I stopped buying them. I only got my last Barbie actually is from my husband last Christmas. So that had been like so many months ago. Many months ago. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my god, I can't open it. What's going on here? Is it tape? Let's have a tape somehow. Let's have a tape, guys. Oh, here it is. Oh, this is really cute. Oh my god, I think I have a couple of almost the same kind, but not really the same. This is very pretty. So yeah, I have this some kind of Barbie that my husband gave me many years ago for like 2 consecutive Christmas. I think he got me this one first one Christmas, and then the next Christmas he gave this to me. It was also collectible, but because the store closed, the Mall of the Bluffs here in our area closed, so he couldn't buy me anymore after 2 years, after 2 Christmases. So yeah, there's really cute also. So but this time this is way bigger. And this actually stand itself. It's actually stand over there in my shelf. Not really sure that I got a huge Barbie collection, but yeah, this is nice that this also had a kind of like a stand in it. So this is really pretty, guys. So I might gonna buy the other 2, but this is only like $11.99. So let's see if I feel like buying the other 2. And I really love it. Actually, this is I just don't know yet where I'm gonna put it. But this is actually a really beautiful addition in my collection. I love Barbies. I collect dolls. I collect Barbie ornament. I can't afford the signature one or the expensive one. I think the most expensive Barbie I have is like $30-40. But yeah, mostly just the cheapest one, and mostly all my ornaments was given to me by my husband. Every Christmas I get an ornament from him. Sometimes Barbie doll, very rare time, but most Barbie dolls I have are I bought them, but the ornaments I have came from him. But this also I bought this myself, and I think I'm gonna buy the other 2, which is really nice. It's really pretty. My collection, guys, my Barbie collection, and I also have all the Sailor Moon, not all of them, but I got the 5 beautiful Guardian Sailor Moon, and I have my Barbie dolls over there, and I have a couple small Barbie dolls, and I got all my ornament, and I got more dolls, Barbie dolls, and all my ornament in the bottom part. So let's see, where can we put her? Actually, I plan to take Sailor Moon out, so maybe I'll put her over here for now. Maybe I'll put her right here, since I don't really have a place for her right now. I gotta do a little bit rearrangement, I think. So let's put her over there, and if I get the other 2, maybe I'll put them over here in the top of the Sailor Moon. This is really pretty nice. I got more over here with my super favorite superhero. So I got a few more Barbies there. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time, and God bless you guys.